What's good, y'all? Just wanted to do an unboxing and review of the new Off-White Air Jordan 4s that came out last Saturday. They arrived at my house yesterday and finally got a chance to check them out. So I just wanted to share them with y'all. And obviously the first thing you notice on the box, these two holes here, that is a trend that started with the Off-White Jordan 5s that came out a few months back. Yeah, it's whatever. I don't like the aesthetic on the Air Jordan 5s of the holes actually on the shoes. Thankfully, these don't have those, but it's a cool, unique box. Just a talking piece if anybody were to see them. Let's open these bad boys up. Boom. And actually, already lace swap one of these, put like the mint blue on them. Let's start with the outer part of the shoe here. And obviously you got the trademark Air in quotations, which is a staple of Off-White sneakers, kind of plays up the prototype aspect of it. And the first thing right off the bat is the materials that they used for this are I would consider premium. The suede that is located right here all along the upper and on the tongue is super soft, super smooth. It definitely feels high quality. And then you have the it's kind of like the fly wire, I would equate it to, almost like the mesh on the toe guard, which provides a textural difference, which is pretty dope. And then you obviously have the air unit down here, and the yellowed foam, which I actually think is going to age super well. I'm excited to wear these a little bit, get them outside once this quarantine shit's over, and get them yellowed in a little bit, because I think it's going to look pretty dope. And one thing also I will say, the inside is super soft. It's like all plush foam on the inside, and you can also see the exposed foam on the tongue and all around the whole of the shoe. Wow, sweet technical term, bro. And you can also see the shoelaces in quotation and the Air Jordan tag, which is always there, Off-White or otherwise. And then let's look at the bottom of this sucker, and I love the highlights of the mint green. I think it's just a perfect complement to the sail Off-White Off-White color that this shoe comes in. Just super it's super subtle, but it also pops. Especially in the sun. I wore them outside. It was bright as hell earlier, and it definitely pops in the sun. So I'm probably gonna stick with these. There's also, I'll get them in here. You got black here. You have white, and then you have the sail color that is still on this shoe. I have the other one back in my room that I swapped out with the left shoe. But overall, these are absolute fire. Other than probably the Off-White Air Max 90s and the UNC ones, probably my favorite Off-White release that's come out so far. I'm super fortunate to have won sneakers. I was eating some L's there for a while, but hell of a time to come through. Super lucky to get them for retail. Definitely recommend. I know the price has been a little steep. It's decreased. I got a men's 9.5, women's 11. I think they just went down under 1,000. It looks like they're gonna dip a little bit, so I would maybe hold off if you were not fortunate enough to get them on a raffle or on sneakers. But definitely recommend. Super comfortable as well. Just aesthetic is on point. Just definitely worth the money, and it's gonna complement a lot of different outfits as well, being a neutral color. So gonna get a lot of wear out of these. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and peace out.